Hi everyone, we are working in our workbooks today on lesson 7, but you are working in your 3rd grade one. And it can be found on page 88, and we are studying historical texts. I will give you guys a couple seconds to get there. Alright guys, so historical texts tell about real events, people, or places from long ago. It's how people lived and where and when events took place. And it can be also about how the past connects to the present, because that happens, right? Whatever happened in the past affects our future. And then we have types of historical text, which can include speeches and documents and nonfiction books and biographies. And I know you've been working on biographies in Mr. Zach's class, so some of this should be familiar to you guys. Then you have your main idea, which is a historical text. Is what the text is mostly about, right? We see this in almost all of the things we've been learning about so far. You have your main idea and it tells you what the whole entire thing is going to be about. What's the takeaway, right? What are you learning from this? And your supporting details, which is the information that backs up the main idea, right? Gives you the information. Then you have your text structure, and we have some repeating text structures that we have seen in previous lessons. One of them is our cause and effect, right? Cause is the events that happen first, and then your effect is the result from the cause. And then you have your sequence, right? Which is the order of the events that happen, right? So you have your first, your second, your third, your fourth, and your finally, and your after, before, and all those ones. And you also think about it as a timeline, kind of, right? So you have your timeline here with your dates going here. So if you were just like looking at years, right, normally you'd have the text here. So you have your timeline about 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018. And then if we return it to paragraph form into a written text, you could have this paragraph would be about 2015, this one paragraph would be about 2016, this paragraph would be 2017, this paragraph would be all about 2018, right? So you see how it follows down? Because it follows the order, the sequence of events. Alright. Now we turn to page 90 and 91. It tells you all about your graphic features. There are many of them. Some of your graphic features can include maps, timelines, photographs, and illustrations. Interesting stuff, guys. Now, if you turn to your language spotlight, you have your domain Pacific vocabulary, which are words that relate to a certain topic. Have fun, guys. These are all interesting. Make sure you really look at your graphic features because they can add a lot to your text that you're reading and help you out. Have fun with this. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys soon.